guys, welcome to another video. I am in UB City Mall right now, and it's been a long time that I've uploaded a video, guys. So I thought I'm feeling much better and I'll come out and record something today. So I am out at UB City. Actually, one not a fun fact is that UB City does not allow you to record any videos, but I'm somehow recording it for you all. So do like and subscribe, guys, and watch till the end of the video. Mango is having sale. No? No? Mango is having sale of 50%. Right? That boutique is so wide, like. No? It's too bright. Why? This is Louis Vuitton, right? See that? You know what? The ground floor has the best brands. The ground floor. They have Burberry, Louis Vuitton. Then they have Michael Kors. Michael Kors also is a good brand, huh? Their watches and all you've seen. Yeah, they're good. I like this island cafe in the middle. It's pretty cool. First I thought this is Cavalli, okay? With like Roberto Cavalli. But this is Canali, which I have not heard of. Isn't this your brand that you have? Achha, yours is Marc Jacobs. Okay, sir. I was think that it is. But Coach is also not bad here. Jimmy Choo is the best. No? Jimmy Choo is the best. I mean, good brand. This is Boss. I think people who want to come to UB City, no, the first floor also is okay. That second floor is okay. I think the ground floor is the best. What's it? For luxury, yeah. It's like the best. Yeah. Even this Burberry is not bad, yeah. I remember I had a Burberry perfume. Ethos. The brand is good. I think that is it. Like this is it. But I just wanted to show Diesel. Like this is one of my favorite brands here, Diesel. I like Diesel here. It is a good brand. And then I've shown all this stuff. Most of it.